Justin Labato inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage here, and what we want to go over with you today is the DP Clay Lubricant. Now, most of you may or may not know, but claying is one of many steps in what we call a decontamination process. And that process could be, like I said, multiple steps or just as simple as claying. But one of the key things you need and one of the key products is a great lubricant. And that's where DP has developed this product here that is amazing, because what it's gonna help you do as the end user in your clay process is allow to have the right lubricant or lubricity to reduce the amount of marring that's introduced to the paint. So whether it's a high solid paint system or a soft paint system, this will help reduce that or at least minimize it to the point to where you don't have to fight a lot of compounding and or polishing. So one of the things I really enjoy about a product like this is safe on all surfaces. This would be your paint, glass, metal. It's great on all those surfaces as you clay, and of course with the different types of clay, whether it be a traditional clay bar or a more relevant synthetic clay, it's safe with both of those and works well with both style clay methods. So we want to show you how this product works, and what we're going to use here today is our Speedmaster Clay Mitt. Now, this is something that is going to be a more quick approach to removing the surface contaminants versus a traditional clay. Of course, you're going to have to at home understand how bad the condition of the contaminants are on the paint to where you could use something like this or traditional clay. But either one, of course, your DP clay lubricant will be the key to that. So what I like to do is, of course, spray your surface and spray your clay mitt. That way you get enough material on there. And then what you do from there, you can put your hand in the clay mitt or on the clay mitt, and this will just basically help your clay mitt glide across the surface. I do little short strokes so I could hear the contaminants and feel them as they come off. And I could feel also how smooth this surface is becoming too. Now this surface wasn't very contaminated, so this was a perfect fit of products for this application. After you're complete, you're gonna go ahead and grab a microfiber towel of your choice, and then you're gonna wipe off the residue of the DP clay lubricant. And this won't take away from anything you would be moving forward with in regards to protecting the surface. It's not gonna have any type of chemicals or fillers or any additives in it that's going to compromise bond. So that way you don't have to double back on your application with excess prep. Oh yeah, now that surface is super slick, super smooth, and as I'm looking at it just from the ceiling light, there is no marring whatsoever, and that's one of the benefits I also like about using the clay mitt with the DP clay lubricant, is that combination just sets me up for success in prepping this vehicle. So now if I want to get into a traditional wax or sealant, it set me up for success in that application. So if you have more questions about any of the DP products or of course the DP clay lubricant, visit autogeek.com.